Alright, everybody, got a real special one for you today. Bioshock Ultimate Songbird Edition. This one means a lot to me. Big Bioshock fan. In the front is the Songbird himself. On the side, you got the girl. On the back, you got what it comes with. And on this side, this is like the main character guy. Alright, let's open her up. Alright. Pop it open. Okay, it looks like it's in two different halves. One half being the Songbird, and the other half being everything else. So I'm going to start over here. Alright. Okay, well, let's take a look at this stuff. And here, obviously, is the game. It looks like it's going to be really good. I'm really excited to play it. Okay, right here. This must be a code to download your own soundtrack. Don't want to let you see my code. Yep. Marketplace download for your avatars. Glad to see some downloadable stuff. And weapons upgrade. Extra money. And an extra... I'm not really sure. Alright, now right here. Not sure. Let me open this up for you. So I opened up the packaging and I found the lithograph. Devil's Kiss. Alright. Well, back over here. Right here is the Handyman, which I'll open up for you. The Murder of Crow keychain, which I'll open up for you. Is this an art book? Yes, this is the art book. Real nice looking. Yeah, I like it. It looks nice. There's the Songbird. Alright, now let me open up these two small boxes for you, and then we'll move on to the Songbird. First off, I want to start out by saying that the Handyman is tiny. I do have big hands, but to put this in perspective for you, there's your game, and that's the Handyman. So, he's about the size of the BI of Bioshock. He's very small. A little disappointed in that. Alright, well, let's move on to the Murder of Crows. I'm much more pleased with the Vicar bottle. It's well detailed. Yeah. And it's a much better size than the Handyman Focus. Yeah. A lot bigger. Well, it really is. But, yeah. Alright, so open up this game. And at first I thought that I had a season pass for the edition, but no, it just tells you how to get it for $20. And then there's your just manual. And then I actually noticed that on the back of the cover is something which I've not been able to look at yet, but yeah. And last but not least, the Songbird statue. Now I'll go ahead and get it opened up. Alright, so here it is. It actually does not come as one piece. I just had to assemble it. The wings are not attached because it is absolutely huge. It's really shocked me how heavy it was at first, just because I didn't really think it'd be that heavy. It certainly is, though, and it is certainly detailed. It looks real cool. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Try to get you a close-up on him. Yeah, so that's Bioshock Infinite Songbird Edition. Yeah, you get the Songbird, you get DLC, you get the game, you get the art book, and you get handyman, crows, and the lithograph. Yeah, alright, thanks for watching.